Okay, hello everyone and welcome to another What's New. I've got another lovely big, and I mean big box of bits and pieces, so I shall open it and show you what's inside. So this is another lot of stuff I bought on eBay from a gentleman in Tasmania, so another bargain. So this is a whole lot of stuff from an estate sale from what I understand, and I saw these and I thought yes please. So I got these as well as some other stuff. So these are kits that are not yet complete. So very much, oh look, he's put little I can't even think of it's corridor, little black stuff to make the corridors close up better. And there's a lot of weight in this. This has got internal passenger carriage stuff, and these are beautiful. So there's no trucks on these, but there we go. There's the trucks and the wheel pins, so that all part of the kit. And there's the wheels and the axles. So they won't be getting these, they'll be getting other ones that I've got. So wow, okay, it says a lot about these kits. I've never done any of this stuff. So oh, this one's got people in it. I can see people in the passenger seats. So there we go. So another beautiful put together kit. It's even got the handrails on top are actual little metal parts, so that's beautiful. And he's put the short couplings on, but the only problem is those couplings are going to interfere with that bellows. Bellows is the word I was thinking. So separate handrails and grab irons. So these are beautiful. So yep, and some more people on the inside. Definitely some weight in these. Made in USA, it says under there, but it doesn't say the manufacturer. But he's even got wire underneath to make it look like the fittings are all correct. So this is more of that stuff I got the other week. So I bought it a couple of lots from this seller. So I'm more than happy to deal with this gentleman. So they will be finished off, not just straight away. And it's lovely wrapped. Alright, so we get another 2 of these. Oops. All the windows and stuff are all down below, so these ones are not finished. Okay. Yep, he's put the doors in there, but he hasn't put the windows. So I can see seats and I can see a person standing up. There's no windows in this. So definitely a lot of weight put inside. People in there. And the United States Mail Railway Post Office is what it says. So very nicely done. You can see the grab irons and stuff on separately applied. He hasn't put the bellows on here. Put the couplings boxes on, little metal pieces on there, grab irons on there, grab irons there. So the gentleman that was doing these has spent a lot of time, that's for sure. So I'm more than happy with these. So that's that one. And then there's this one. So there was 9 kits all up that were not finished, and I bought them all as a job lot. So US Mail Railway Post Office, Norfolk and Western. So this one's got more detail on it. I can't see any seats or anything inside of it, but he's put the bellows on there. Bellows are on there. These are obviously still unfinished kits, so lovely. Beautiful detail. He's done a job and a half in painting them, so definitely stands out, that's for sure. So I will gladly finish them off and put them on the tracks, but not straight away. But these are ones that I bought for me to do more down the track. So we've got wheels and axles and wheels and axles, but there's no axle frames, so I will do my own wheels and so forth when I put them together down the track a bit, as I said. So beautiful, lovely. So it says Pensy Sleeper, Pensy Diner, but no wheels. So get another one. This is upside down. What's this one say? Norfolk and Western RPO baggage and postage coach, US mail. No, there's only one in that. Okie dokie. Oh, always look in your boxes, because like this, there's your clip. Oh, come out. There we go. For your coupler box. So that was floating around. So what's this one? It's got the wheels and the axles there. There's only single in this one. Oops, what's this one? Pensy Diner. So what did it say? Baggage postage coach. Oh, see, they're not even right. But anyway, this is a Pensy Diner coach, and it's got the tables and the chairs in there, I can see. Oh, the window plastic slipped a bit. He's done the bellows again, but it's not come adrift, so it's all come adrift, and then there's little wires there sticking out. But he's done a beautiful job in these models, the gentleman that was making them. So more than happy, as I've said before, more than happy with these. It's got some details on the roof as well, so lovely. So this one's just a diner only. I'll go through them and check them, but yes, this is RPO baggage and postage coach. So another one. And this says Diner Unfinished and Sleeper Pensy. Oh, this is good. This has got the paperwork. This is what I like. Didn't see this in the ad, but that's fine. Oh, that's good. That gives you the information. So I've never had any of this, so I've not done a kit. Oh. So what's this one? Showing you how the axles go to part. Now, does it say? There's no date. I'm just looking for a date of when these were made or put out or anything. No, it doesn't say. Oh, that's a shame. But anyway, so that's another one. So what's that one? That says Smooth Side Streamlined Cars. What's this one say? This one says Pullman Standard Smooth Side Streamlined Car. Pullman Standard Smooth Side, so it's the same information. Okay. Yep, exactly the same. So, alright, that's two of the same, but that's okay. This one's obviously older because it's deteriorated slightly, but that's alright. So what have we got here? We've got, well, this is a Pensy US Mail Railway Post Office. Plenty of weight. See, he's got ready, he's painted all the underside, he's got the wheels ready. So, and he's got no bellows on this, but it's a plastic frame and plastic there, and he's, oops, that's all come loose. See, these all need finishing, but yeah, I'm most impressed, I can say that much. Alright, now what's that one? So there's still bits of wire, bits of plastic, the bogie frames for the wheels and axles and wheels and axles, and there's a coupling box. So this one looks like it's got more coming off it. Alright, so this one's got the bellows on one end and the bellows on the other end, and it's a Pennsylvania Cabin Creek. I can see a body in there, person, another one in there, and I'd say these are sleepers. Cabin Creek, yeah, sleeper car or something. Very heavy, but I can see the axle boxes, the coupling boxes have come off. That's alright, I will give these all a full once over at a later stage, but I saw these and these were a bargain price, so I couldn't let them go. So I thought, yep, I'll have them. Well, for a bargain price, you can't say no, really. It'd be silly to say. And I was the only person that bid on them, and I still got them for a steal, so more than happy. Alright, the next one. Upside down again. And this one says unfinished. It says streamlined sides, undecorated ABS lounge. And look at that, it says $14.95 on the price tag. So Eastern Car Works Incorporated. And then we've got the wheels again. And the wheels. Oops, we've got a little piece of stuff under there, so I'll put those under there now. So this one's not that heavy. These are Pennsy Colonial Arms, it says. Pullman, Pennsylvania Colonial Arms. And he's put the bellows on it. It's obviously a sleeper car because it looks like the windows have all been drawn. He's actually made those bellows separately from the kit, and he's done it himself. So I like this, very well done. Spent some time on this, and he's got a couple of boxes, but the couplers are all very short fitting, so means the baggage, the cars will be very close. So, but no, I don't know. So I don't know whether he's actually finished them, put them on the track or not. I don't have any idea. I just saw them for sale and I thought, yep, I'll have them. So I have no idea, but they're not finished, so, but none of them have got the wheel sets or axles. They've got the screws in them, but there's no bodies, no trucks. So this is a Philadelphia, it says. There's a couple of bodies in there. There's people sitting on the passenger seats. Looks like the blinds imitation person there. So very nice, very, very nice details. So like I said, the gentleman that was doing this obviously knows what he was doing, just unfinished. So I think from memory it's from the deceased estate. So anytime I see deceased estate, I'm always interested because I can usually get them for somewhat of a better price. Not always, but sometimes. But yeah, we all know deceased estate means it's not finished or the person's passed away. So therefore you've got a chance of getting something nice. And there's a double box, and this says wheels for other ECW coaches unstarted. And this one says Streamline Series Sleeper 7431 undecorated. I haven't read the info from the other boxes, so sorry about that. But oh, this is all the bits and pieces. So wheels, trucks, couple of boxes, all the plastic from the front. Now always keep this sort of stuff, guys, because you never know what you can use them for. So this one looks like it's not even been started. So there's another set of wheels. Longer rail nails. No, it's spare. It's bits and pieces, ends and windows and stuff. There's another set of wheels. There's your clear plastic lenses. Then we've got couplings, old school Talgo couplings. And here we go. This is all the bogies, still on the sprue. So you've got your trucks there, you've got your brake pieces in there. Little pieces come off, not sure what that's from, but this is how the kits come, obviously. So it's a round end at that end. Oh, okay. So plastic molded bottom. What's it say? Bedroom side. Okay. And we've got another one exactly the same that's not painted. Then we've got the roof. It says bedroom side, and then we've got some little pieces there. I don't know what they are, but there's no instructions. It's a shame, and a glue stick. So it's a shame there's no instructions on how to put them together. But there's all the windows. So those go there, but I think it's missing a piece. Maybe not. The end piece. There would be a piece that would go up the side here. So I don't know what's going on with that, but I'll have to look for that. But yeah, very nice. So you can see it's the kit form, which has not been finished. So I've never done a kit, but I've done plenty of model kits for model boats, but not for trains. So this will be quite interesting. These will be for another day. Not anything soon, but I can tell that he's sprayed. So like that's the plastic colour, which is that colour, and he's actually sprayed this one. So you can see it's got the grey undercoat on it. So yeah, but anyway, but this one hasn't even been started. So interesting to know. See, 1, 2, 3 sets of wheels in this. There's only 2 wheels, and then he's got this box of coupling boxes and other bits and pieces. So all right, there we go. Well, there we go. That's the end of that one. So they're more for me for like kind of like a rainy day sort of thing. Just a few things that I scored, that I saw that were in my price range. And as I said, I've never done a kit before, so there'll be something that I can do to build up my skills. I want to do a couple of kits, so that'll be just nice. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit the like, subscribe, and leave a comment, because all comments are looked at and replied to. Tell me what you think you would do to finish those. So obviously I need some more card for the bellows, but I'm not sure about some of those couplings because they look a bit close. But anyway, I'll get to them one day soon, and I'll show you what they look like when they're all finished. So stand by for a video down the track. Anyway, there we go. That's another one in the books, or on the track, as we say. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, have a check out of all of my other videos, and comment away, because I always reply to all comments. So there we go. Thanks everyone. Bye for now.